Alright guys, it's July and I just need to give you the heads up. I am going to plug myself back into the matrix for a while. Next week my sweetheart gets a knee replacement, and then I have to fix a website, my www.shanondrawe.com. I have killed that website, shot it right in the ear after 20 years, and I no longer have a photography website. Everything's getting converted over to YouTube. So you can see my photography now on a YouTube channel called F8.Be There. And that is where the photography is going to be for the future, and the rest of my career is on a YouTube channel. And if you're ever looking for tips and ideas and things to do with how to do the photography I do here on the skiff or whatever, that's going to be there. Another thing I'll be working on in the next couple of weeks while I'm plugged back into the grid, swallowed the red pill, is I've got a prototype for a new invention for skiffs, specifically for small motored skiffs. And I've been working on it a little while, thinking on it a lot longer, and we're going to see how that turns out. Guys, stick with me. I won't be gone long. And I appreciate you sticking with me all this time. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. I hope you do. And we will see you. I'll probably end up having something come out. You never know. I'll be working on it in the background if I can. But knee replacements are pretty involved for older people. And this is going to be a full-on knee replacement. Not for me though, because I'm a holistic guy. Remember the holistic stuff? Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. And we'll see you on the other side of the matrix very, very, very soon. All right, guys, just to let you know, this is a great time to order a fly line mat while I'm indoors at the fish camp, otherwise known as Inside the Matrix. Whether you need a Clint, which is 36 inches long, or whether you need a Texas Tickler, which is 20 inches long, and any of these you can get with glow in the dark. This one glows. So make sure you check them out. Order them online at www.texasflycaster.com, and we will see you on the water real soon, guys. Go catch some fish.